Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we will see about the decorators in the Python. Decorators plays a prominent role in Python. The decorators is a special characters, special function in Python. As for example, if we have the two examples of x and y without any discrepancy of x and y, we can add other function like a in between by using the decorators in the Python function. Let's start with the video now. Decorators, define function, we'll call it as some animal, and define function, we'll call it as lion, and sensor function, and print lion is the king of jungle, and close the brackets. And then meanwhile the main function, we need to integrate the function. So I am integrating the function as func, and func the brackets print, and the lion deer is fast in running, and then I return the lion function. Coming here, I am taking other function which we need to integrate in between the lion and deer print statements. So taking as a tiger as an option, tiger print tiger roars in the jungle. So here we need to implement tiger function is equal to animal main function of tiger. So tiger returns the function. Let's execute this one. Yes, here we got the function. We got all the functions like lion is the king of the jungle, and then tiger roars in the jungle, and then deer is the fast in running. Now these functions, actually this function is replacing with the tiger function, and then tiger function prints each statement in between the lion and deer functions. These are the decorators. And also we can do differently, like we can remove this particular lion tiger is equal to animal of function,